Running quality control helps to ensure the accuracy of your test results. We recommend running controls with each new shipment, with each new PTS panel's test strip's lot number, in accordance with state, local, and federal regulations and your facility's requirements. To run controls, first wash, rinse thoroughly, and dry your hands, then put on your gloves. Then, gather the following materials: the CardioChek Plus analyzer, the liquid controls materials, the quality control instructions, which can be found in the box with your control materials, the quality control range card, which can be found in the box with control materials or at ptsdiagnostics.com, the PTS panel's test strips and memo chip, medical quality disposable gloves. Check the expiration dates on both the PTS panel's test strips and the control materials to make sure they have not expired. Once opened, controls are stable at room temperature for 10 months or until the expiration date on the box, whichever comes first. Make sure that the memo chip lot number and the test strips lot number match. Before you insert the memo chip into the analyzer, press the Next button until your analyzer screen says Utility. Press Enter. Then press Next until the screen says Run Control. Insert the memo chip that corresponds with your PTS panel's test strips into the memo chip port at the top of the analyzer. Then press Enter. Make sure that the lot number that appears on your analyzer display and the test strip's lot number match. Check to see if the reflectance test strip slot at the bottom of the analyzer is clean. If not, clean with an alcohol wipe and dry with gauze. Next, remove one e-glue test strip from the vial and immediately replace the lid. Hold the test strip with the arrow pointing toward the analyzer. Insert the strip into the electrochemical test strip port. Gently push the test strip into the port as far as it will go. Next, remove one lipid panel test strip from the vial and immediately replace the lid. Hold the test strip by the end opposite of the blood application window. Insert the end with the blood application window into the reflectance test strip slot. Gently push the test strip into the slot as far as it will go. When the test strips are inserted correctly, the screen will say, Apply Sample. Apply solution to the e-glue test strip first. To do this, pick up the vial of Level 1 control solution. Invert to mix. Remove the cap, turn the vial upside down, and hold the tip of the vial directly in front of the tip of the test strip without touching the vial to the strip. Carefully squeeze the vial to deliver 1 drop of control solution to the tip of the electrochemical test strip. Next, apply solution to the lipid panel test strip. Again, turn the vial upside down and hold the tip directly above but not touching the test strip blood application window. Carefully squeeze the vial to deliver 2 drops of control solution to the blood application window. Replace the cap on the vial of control solution. The analyzer will automatically begin testing and will return results in 1.5 to 2 minutes. Do not move the analyzer while it is testing. Once the results appear, check your range card to see if your results are within the specified range. Make sure you are looking under the header Single Analyte Test Strips on the card for the glucose/e-glue result. Make sure you are looking under the header Multi-Analyte Test Strips on the card for cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, and triglycerides results. Record your results and remove the test strips. Ensure that all circles on the back of the lipid panel test strip are completely colored. Then, discard the strips used for Level 1 in a biohazard container. Press Enter to move on to the Level 2 control test. Using new test strips and the Level 2 vial of control solution, repeat the procedure. If your results are within range, you're ready to move on to patient testing. If your results are not within range, first, remove the lipid panel test strip. Look at the circles on the back. Are the circles uniformly colored? If not, it's likely that the amount of solution applied to the strip was insufficient. Try running the test again with a new test strip. If the circles are completely colored, but your results are still not within range, refer to the test strips package insert and control package insert for troubleshooting tips. Test one more time. If the second control test fails, please do not continue to use the analyzer. Call customer service for help.